Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if you can't install any apps from the App Store on your iPhone. So if you're having apps, for example installing the app Clash of Clans, just as an example, and it just keeps on loading or just doesn't happen anything when you click on it, then you just won't be able to install an app. Then this is how to fix this, because I know that it's quite irritating. I've actually had this issue a few weeks ago and I finally found a solution to it. So I have 3 minutes for you might want to try, and let's just immediately hop into the first one, and that is making sure that your Wi-Fi connection is of course enabled, because you need to have a Wi-Fi connection in order to actually download apps from the App Store. We can see I have a Wi-Fi connection right now enabled, so that should not be the issue, but just make sure to double check that. Now the second thing you might want to try is going right here into settings, general, and what you're then going to do is you're going to click on shut down. This is the second method, and this will basically just restart your phone. Pretty obvious. However, most of the time this will fix a lot of issues you potentially have with your App Store and just with basically your entire phone. Then for the third and final method, what you can do is you're going to go into general again. You're going to scroll down a little bit, and now what you're going to do is you're going to go one button above shutdown. Here, transfer or reset iPhone. You're going to click on reset, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on reset all settings. What this means, it will basically keep all your data on your phone, all your apps will still be there. However, it will reset all the data on your phone and all the settings will be set to default again. And this most of the time fixes a lot of issues you have with your iPhone. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if this worked for you. And if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you can like this video, subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.